plot a graph in gnuplot by using data in .csv format and .dat dat format. Okay, so before starting this video, I have uploaded two part of this gnuplot series. So if you don't have basic ideas about plotting in gnuplot, please watch those links are given in the description, or you can click on that I button and watch the videos. Okay, so let's start this video. First of all, let's go to the file manager and go to the document. Okay, document, and then I want to create a folder here where I will store all file I create during this video. Okay, so the folder name will be gnuplot. Okay, let it be gnuplot. And after that, let me show you first of all plotting graph using the data in .dat format. Okay, so to create the .dat data in .dat format, I open the notepad and then save it. Okay, save it in the folder I have just created. Okay, and name it as gnu data .dat. Okay, .dat. You can select it here as all files. Okay, and save it. Okay, now I think you can see file name here. Okay, it is not here. Let me move it to here. Okay, now it is here in that format. Okay, so again let's go to that file and create here some data. Let it be numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, these numbers will be in x-axis, and along y-axis there will be the square of these numbers. Okay, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, square of 9 is 81, and square of 10 is 100. Okay, and then save it. Okay, okay, why it is not saved here? Okay, I need to type the data again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It has data. Okay, now let me open the notepad again. Okay, notepad, and again let me save it in the same folder, and this file will contain the code for plotting the data. Okay, so it will be code to plot data with P extension. Okay, you can also select all file. Okay, and save it. Now in that folder we will have two files. Okay, I need to write the code on this file. Okay, so here just type plot, and what is the name of that file? GNU data. Okay, plot gnu data dot dat that dot dat extension using one in x-axis, two in column y-axis, and you with the line point, line width let it be 2 1.5, line type would be okay, line color would be 8, line type would be let it be 7. Okay, you can have write any number. Okay, here. So let me plot it. To plot this, let me open the gnuplot first. Gnuplot software. This is gnuplot software. Just click here, and I have to change the directory. Okay, on gnuplot. For changing the directory, I just click on file, and there is an option called change directory. I click here and go to the document and just select the gnuplot folder and click on OK. Now I am on gnuplot folder, and I need to load this code on gnuplot to plot the graph of the data I have just shown you how to create. Okay, so to load this code, just type on gnuplot as a load and the name of the this code file, code data dot p. Okay, dot data dot p, code data dot p, and just click on enter. Okay, it is not showing argument. Okay, lc, let me delete it first. Okay, and load the code again. Okay, now it shows the line. Okay, this is the plot. Now I can further modify the plot. Let me add the title numbers 9 square of numbers. This will be legend. Okay, set x, let it x, set x label, let it be numbers. Okay, set y label, and the y label would be square of number. Okay, and also set grid. Okay, and I need to set limit x range. X range of course is from 0 to 10. Okay, and set y range would be of course from 0 to 100. Okay, just save it and run the code again. Okay, now see and refresh it. Okay, so this is a legend, new legend, and x level, y level, and see, you can see the limit for y-axis is 0 to 100, for y-axis, for x-axis it is from 0 to 10. Okay, now I can also add the title here. So title of the graph would be let me add it here. Okay, set title numbers and their squares. You can add this. Okay, again run the code. Okay, and just refresh it. Now this is the title. Okay, now last point is you have to save this plot in image format. It is not in image format. Okay, to open this image you will have to use one gnuplot software. Okay, but if you save it in image format, that is in .png format or jpeg format, then you have to write some code here to save the image in, to save the graph in image format. Okay, for this set tom, okay, png format size quite 7, let it be 720 comma 1250. Okay, let it be bigger, and set output. Okay, what output file, name of the output file. Okay, and it will be numbers dot, and let it be png. Okay, and let it republic. Okay, after typing this much, just reload the code. Okay, just refresh it, and you can see a file in the folder we have just created. Okay, just go to the folder. Okay, there is a number and it is in png format. Okay, just open it. It takes some time, till then let me open Excel. Okay, because I need to create there. Using Excel I will create .csv file. Okay, I think it is open now. Okay, this is the file. I can change the shape also. So to change the, let me edit. Okay, this is, I minimize Excel for now. I need to change the file size here. Okay, so actually I think this must be 12, and actually this is 720. Okay, just run it. Go to the file, and there is the number. Okay, now you can see the plot. Okay, and this file will open in any device. Okay, you don't need to use gnuplot software. Okay, because it is in png format. You just have to get the software that opens image files. Okay, and this is how you can plot graphs from the data in .dat file format using gnuplot. Okay, now I will show you how to plot data which is in .csv format. Okay, and let me create the csv file first. Okay, for this I have opened this Excel sheet, and there is many columns A, B, C, D, and these are rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to create numbers, angles here, and okay, you can also use the same data here. Let it be 0, 1, okay, 1, okay, 1, and equal to, if you type a2 plus 1, then it will give 2, and let me go to up to 10. Okay, not up to 10, up to 11. Okay, and on this will be on x-axis, and on y-axis we may have square of a. Okay, into a1, square of a1 into a1. Okay, and you can also do the same thing as we did in column A, this. Okay, so these are the numbers and these are the square of the numbers, and save it. So you need to take care while saving the file. Okay, so this is gnuplot. Let me, I think, go to documents. If here you don't see the document here, you can browse it from here. Okay, so documents, and search for the gnuplot, and this will be book 1, name as book 1, and you need to select here CSV comma D limited. Okay, just select it and save it. Okay, do you want to keep using that format? Yes. Okay, save it. Now what you need to do is you just you need to change here some codes. Okay, and that is, first of all, you need to declare that the data file is in CSV format. Okay, so the file contains comma between the columns of the data. See, this file contains comma between the data. Okay, you can see this CSV file and this .dat file. Okay, there is no comma in that format, but in CSV format it contains comma between each column of the data. Okay, this is difference between CSV and .dat format data file. Okay, so for this you need to declare here. What you need to do is just before plotting, just type set data file separator. Okay, that data file separate. Okay, file separator. This means we tell to gnuplot that the file contains the data in the file are separated by comma. Okay, this comma, and remaining are the same. So let me change the name here. Okay, name here number 1, and the file name will be different here, and this is capital B OK1 dot, of course, CSV. Okay, now run this code. Okay, the name is same, file name is same, and go to the, just go to, let me change the color. Okay, color, it will be red. Okay, and go to the gnuplot again and load the same code. Okay, because we have the same file with same name. Just click on here, enter, and then, so this is, I think okay, let me open this gnuplot again. Okay, sometimes it shows problem. Gnuplot. Okay, gnuplot, and change the directory and go to the directory where you have saved your documents or files. This is document, and search for gnuplot and click OK after selecting gnuplot, and just load that code. I think, what is the name of that file? This is code data.py. So code data.py, and just click enter. See, this is red color. Okay, and others name are same. Okay, you can also set the x-axis, y-axis, name, and title. Okay, so I have provided here. Okay, if you go to the folder, then there are two image files. One is number, this is numbers from .dat format. Okay, with this format, and number 1 png file is with this data. If you open it, if you click on number 1, it opens like this. Okay, see the color, it is red now, and x-axis, sorry, y-axis, x-axis, title of the plot. Okay, so this much in this video. In this video I showed you plotting a data graph using the data which is in .csv format and in .dat data format. Okay, and I created a code in the file called which is with the extension of .p, and I loaded this code in gnuplot software using this command load data code data.p. Okay, in this way you can plot the data, and I saved images of each problem by using this code. Okay, so what is the difference between plotting from .dat format and the CSV format is that only this code, okay, and the file name extension name, okay, remaining are same. Okay, because .csv file contains commas between data points, so we have to tell the gnuplot that there are comma or the data are separated by commas. Okay, so this was in this video. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next video. Okay, in next video I will also make a tutorial on gnuplot. In that video I will show you how to plot a 3D graph in gnuplot, and also I will give you some idea about plotting GIF, okay, GIF images file in gnuplot. Okay, till then stay connected with us. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay smart. Don't worry, I will provide all these files in get these files in by visiting the links given in the description, and please don't forget to follow that page as well. Okay, and that page is official web page of our channel.